Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about how to get some of these free products that are just out here waiting to be claimed, okay? I made a video about this before, but I wanted to just do an updated video about it. Hopefully it's not too long, but if you are interested in obtaining free products that you can use to review on your channel or your social media, or if you want to just try these products out in general, please continue to watch so I can give you some insight on how to start this research and doing this, okay? I do want to give some disclaimers though about this. Getting these free products doesn't just, they're not just going to give them to you. I'll just put it that way. You're not just going to just get them. You may have to do some work to get these products, okay? You have to be dedicated to this, okay? Logging on to these different sites, doing their surveys, and being active on these different sites in order to really be eligible for these free samples. A couple other things to keep in mind: your social media influence and your social media content. Your social media influence, meaning how many followers or subscribers you may have. So I want you to understand though, you don't need a whole bunch of subscribers on just one platform. You can have a number of subscribers on one platform, a number on the other platform, and all of these subscribers together help to build your social media influence, okay? So think of your social media influence that way. Also, I want to mention your actual social media outlets, like the things that you post and talk about on your social media. Brands will gravitate more towards social media pages or YouTube channels that focus on their industry. So for example, if like my Instagram, I post a lot of beauty related things, makeup, hair, nails. So I may be more inclined to get a sample related to that field or that industry versus something for the home or garden and things like that. So keep that in consideration when trying to go on these sites and answer the surveys or posting content on your social media. Keep those things into consideration if you are trying to go into this journey of getting these free products, okay? Without further ado, we're going to get into it, okay? Definitely hit the like button if you like videos like this. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed already. What are you waiting for, okay? And hello to all the brand new subscribers. I see you. Thank you. I love you. And let's get on into this video. So the first site I want to talk about is CrowdTap, okay? CrowdTap has changed since when I first started using the site. When I first made my first video about getting free products, I just started with CrowdTap, so I wasn't really sure exactly how it worked, but now I know, so here we go. CrowdTap lists surveys daily on their site for you to complete, and those surveys are worth different points. Once you get 1,000 points, you'll be able to redeem those points for $5 gift cards. The highest increment of gift card you can redeem your points for is $25. And there's many different sites that you can redeem gift cards for. We have Amazon, Sephora, Target, Walmart, Ulta, PlayStation Store for you gamers, the Xbox Store for you gamers, NFL Shop for all you Eagles buffs or football fans, right? There's Nike and there's Adidas, okay? So they are always working to expand the companies that they will give you gift cards for, okay? So if you are signed up for CrowdTap, you can just make sure you keep note of that if they change, or you know there's a new site that you might want to get a gift card from, okay? Again, 1,000 points equals $5, okay, that you can redeem on a gift card. Applications for campaigns come just how the surveys come on your dashboard. Once the application for the campaign comes up, you fill it out, answer the qualifying questions. You may have to post a picture and talk about your perceptions of the brand in question for the campaign. And if you are accepted into the campaign, they'll send you an email. Of course, you'll get sent the product. You'll have to use the product, and then once you're done using the product, you'll have to review it. And it's kind of a time-sensitive thing for you to review these products, okay? So your reviews have to be content-rich and have some good detail in it. They're watching. If you post something like, no, I don't know, yeah, I liked it, it was okay, and stuff like that, they will know, and eventually your account may be flagged and you will not be eligible to redeem any samples anymore. So keep that in mind. Reviews need to be content rich and have some weight or depth, or really help them know that you tried this product and that you like it or you don't like it, okay? You also may have to post pictures as well as part of these campaigns, so keep that in mind as well. Make sure you take nice lit pictures that show the product off that may have to include your face and things like that. So make sure you do that as well. Smiley 360, okay? Smiley 360 doesn't necessarily send me beauty products, but I get a lot of home or children related product or vitamin type products from them, okay? They have surveys on their site daily, and there'll be silly surveys like, what should you eat for Valentine's Day, or where should you go for your birthday, those kind of surveys. And if you do those surveys, you end up earning points towards your dashboard. Those points signify how active you are with the site, okay? And eventually, if there's a campaign coming up that you may qualify for, you'll get an email about it, and then you answer the campaign qualifier questions. If you're eligible, they'll tell you hurry up and go to your dashboard and choose it so you can go ahead and get these products. Once you get the products, you'll have to use them, review them, and there's different sharing tools on Smiley 360 that will automatically share to your Facebook or Twitter, or you can just link your social media to it and it'll share some of the reviews and things that, about the product that you would like to share on your platforms. And each campaign has a certain amount of points that you have to earn to get a badge. And the more badges you get, again, shows how active you are with the site, how content rich your reviews are, and gives you more chances to get more free products from them as well, okay? Influencer. Influencer is another one. Everybody pretty much knows about Influencer, but it is hard to get samples from them, I will admit. But the secret is how your social media influence is, okay? How much social media influence you have, right? The other secret is how dedicated or how active you are on that app. And being active on that app, opening the app means you're active, okay? Sending a picture in about a product you like means being active. Writing a review, doing your snaps, you know, sending video reviews or scanning products and writing your reviews on them, no matter what the product is. All of that is considered being active. But the things you do on the app is not the only thing that can help boost your chances of getting free items. Your interactions with Influencer on social media also plays a role. They have Twitter parties. They post regularly about the different Vox boxes that they have coming. So doing all of those things, liking those posts or being engaged in those posts, also help give you a higher chance of getting a free product. So make sure you keep all that in mind when you're going to deal with Influencer, okay? PinchMe. PinchMe is another one. I really like PinchMe. It's fairly easy. It's not necessarily tied to your social media influence. It is based on how well your feedback is on the products that they send you. And that will help them decide if they should send you more products. If you're going to give genuine reviews or good enough feedback for the people or the brands that are sponsoring this PinchMe box, okay? So you sign up for PinchMe. They have Sample Tuesday. They also have surveys that you can complete as well to earn some money, and also earn more opportunities to get more samples, okay? So all of that is on their site. Sample Tuesday comes, you can choose whatever sample that is catered towards your likes. And the way they know what you like or what you're interested in is if you answer the survey about me and things like that. So they will tailor samples towards the things that you like. Once you check out, they'll send you your sample package within a month, and then you'll go through those products. Make sure you write your reviews about them, detailed reviews, thorough reviews, honest reviews, things like that. And the quality of those reviews help you boost your chances of getting even more samples the next go around, okay? Very, very easy to use, very, very easy, okay? And I have links to all of those different mediums below if you are interested, okay? Just click on the link and you can get started from there. All right. Viewpoints, okay? Viewpoints is a newer one that I found. I really like Viewpoints. I don't feel like it's really tied so much towards your social media influence either. You sign up for Viewpoints. I don't even really remember doing a survey for Viewpoints, but once you sign up for Viewpoints, they will start sending you emails about different sampling opportunities, and you just fill out the survey about the sampling opportunity, and if you meet the qualifier, the initial qualifying stuff, they will send you an additional email telling you to confirm your address. And once you confirm your address, if you are a match for this particular sampling, they will send you the samples, and all you have to do is write an honest review at the end. I like that. It's a no-brainer. They send you so many emails, so you're doing survey after survey, and I wonder if doing those many surveys also prove how active you are in checking your email for these things, and it kind of maybe helps them choose you for campaigns. I'm not sure yet. Viewpoints, again, is new for me, but I've already gotten a couple samples from them. I have some that are on the way that I'm going to talk about on my channel. So yeah, so I really like Viewpoints. That one's very simple and very easy. The last thing I want to talk about is Facebook and Instagram. So I know this sounds weird, but there are a lot of free samples available through Facebook and Instagram ads. And the way that you get these samples is that you have to be following the brand, whatever the brand is that you like in particular. And you may have to take some time to scroll down your social media, scroll down your feed. And I take that time sometimes. Again, if you on the toilet and bathroom, go ahead and scroll down that social media feed or do those surveys or whatever it is, and you may come across a sample. So I actually have a Facebook group. I'll post that link below, where if I find one of these samples and I'm able to share it, I'll make sure I share it with my group, so my group has an opportunity to take advantage of that sample as well. And there are so many samples. I get a lot of fragrance samples. I get a lot of skincare samples. So these samples right here are from the brand Aveda. Here's one. Here's this. Here is this. Focus. Focus. And here is this. Now I know they are mini size, but they're samples, you know. And I've even gotten fragrance samples. Like this is a Calvin Klein fragrance sample. I'm just pulling random things out of my sample drawer. I've gotten samples like that just from scrolling through Facebook and clicking on the post saying that there's a sample available, please try it out, okay? So that may take a while to cycle through Facebook to find those things, but they are there and they are available, and there are samples that you can claim through Facebook and Instagram. All you have to do is be following that brand, and if you catch it, click on it as soon as you catch it, okay? Because those type of samples definitely go quickly as well. And yeah, so those are all the sites and ways to get free samples that I want to share with you guys. There are many more, but that will be an even longer video than this, okay? So definitely do your research. If you are interested in that life and want to be about that life, do your research and you will be able to find different ways to get free products, okay? So yeah, that's all I got to say about that. And do you guys like this new camera? I got a new camera. Not filming on my phone anymore. Got a new camera. Let me know below if you like this camera, okay? I will post in the description box below what kind of camera it is and all that good stuff, okay? And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope this helps you guys out with this journey of getting that free stuff, okay? Like and subscribe to my channel for new and interesting content such as this. And I will see you guys in my next video.